guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful bouncy layered curtain bang look with this wig I purchased from Wiggins Hair. It is a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure that did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached with curtain bangs. They did include 2 HD wig caps, an elastic band, as well as an edge brush and comb combo with some lashes. As you see, this hair is so shiny. I'm just running my fingers through it. The only tension you're seeing is the density of the wig. It is fairly full. It does include 3 combs, an elastic band, and an adjustable strap in the back, which does help for this to be a glueless install. You do not need to use even spray, got to be anything like that to install this wig. I'm just showing you guys how it is already pre-bleached. So there were no knots. This is the quickest install I've ever done. I want to say it took me about 30 minutes tops. Now I am layering the hair. I am not a professional whatsoever, so this is just my first time or attempt at layers myself, but I do think it was fairly easy. I'm just cutting it at a diagonal from where those curtain bangs do start and going throughout the head, layering. That way my curls can have a bit more volume. Now I'm just going at a downward angle, beginning where or slightly below where those curtain bangs end, and you're going to open and close those shears repeatedly as you glide it down your section. I'm going to show you again. You open and close those shears as you glide it down the hair shaft. That is what creates the layered effect because you're not staying in one spot and chopping. Now I'm just sectioning another area. I do about 3 to 4 sections on each half of my head or my mannequin head. I think that makes it easier and being consistent in cuts. Going in sections and doing, little by little. Do comb through it. As you see, I did get a tangle or a little snag at the end, but that's because I'm using a rat tail comb on body wave hair. I do believe this wig is about 180% density. So it is very full, very soft. It flows. I do feel confident in saying that this was a very good purchase. I've bought bundles from Wiggins Hair before, back in about 2018, and I would say that they were some of the best bundles I've bought. I would recommend going straight through their website though, not through like Amazon. I find that purchasing hair from hair vendors that sell on Amazon, AliExpress, and have their own store, you get the best hair when you just go through their own store. But yeah, this hair is definitely, it's soft, it's full, it's silky. I've been wearing this wig for about a week now after I styled it, and I have no complaints. It does not tangle. It does shed a little bit, but I feel like the shedding that I'm experiencing is due to me having had cut the hair. See how on this last section I did that line to try to see where that curtain bang was ending, and just start your cut and glide it down. there's hair on the floor, right? It's a lot, not too much, but don't be afraid to cut. The more layers, the better those curls are going to fall. And I also do just a slight trim on the ends. You see how the hair is still flowing? I feel like when you layer the hair, you need to round the ends out. That way it doesn't look thin and it helps the fullness and body of the curl. I am spraying some heat protectant on the hair. Yes, it's a wig, but you still need to protect it for longevity. So do, spray it pretty well, pretty well, excuse me, and brush it through that way it's evenly distributed. Now, this is my favorite part. I absolutely love, love, love doing body curls. I like to curl with a big barrel flat iron. I believe that's about 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. I think you get the best curls when you do a actual curling iron versus a flat iron. That's the only way you can get heat evenly distributed through your curl. That way they last, they hold, and you won't have to keep redoing it. When I start a new curl, I'm going to try my best to explain how I use the curling iron, since I know a lot of people say they don't do curling irons because they don't know how to use them. So first, I run my curling iron over the roots since we're not pressing the hair out. You want to clamp, roll the loose end under and over, and you're going to roll your wrist or turn your wrist to rotate the other half of the curl. So watch. Slide your curling iron down, wrap under over, rotate your wrist. And then you're going to do it again. Slide your curling iron down, wrap under over, rotate your wrist. What this does is it keeps the hair continuously heated and evenly heated throughout, versus when you start the curling iron at the end of the hair and then just roll it up, really all of the heat is going towards the ends versus evenly spreading throughout the curl while you wrap and roll at the same time. And do not let that curl immediately drop. It's going to be hot, but you do need to hold it and clamp it. I pin curl my curls once I'm finished with them. That way they can cool off while they're in the pin curl, and it allows for more longevity. Now I'm going to be quiet and you guys can just watch me as I finish curling the rest of my head. Also, I do want to notate that you are curling away from your face. All curls are coming away from your face. That gives you the best framed look once your curls do drop and fall. install, you do need to grease your scalp. Look, we are losing recipes as a community, guys. Sulfur 8 and that Magic Do Grow has never done me wrong. Blue Magic is also a great contender, okay? Like, these things right here are what keep my scalp going. I am using that HD wig cap that they sent with the wig for install. It actually is really good. Super thin, but it's strong and durable. I'm also using my Sephora Microsmooth powder and hazelnut to put it on my wig cap plus the inside of the wig. Since this is a glueless install, we're not gluing anything down. We want to make sure that we're matching the lace and our wig cap as close as possible to our skin tone. When I say this is a shake and go wig, I mean that. If this wig came curled already, you wouldn't have to do anything but cut the lace off and put your makeup on it and you're good to go. Like, I love this glueless wig wave. This is my first one I've ever owned and I low-key don't want to go back. It took me maybe about 30 minutes to curl the hair and cut the layers into it. All I did was pop it on. Like, that's amazing. And yes, I did come back with a face because I had to take thumbnail pictures, but now I'm taking out those pin curls. You want to try your best not to frisk them up. Be gentle. Don't be like me. Mine got caught up in my hair some, but you want to take them down and kind of do a quick twirl with the end of your finger to make sure they're going the way that you want them to fall. This bang gave me a hard time. Like, it is so long and I don't have the Velcro rollers to roll it. That's the real problem. You need a Velcro roller to get that volume you need in it so it won't be stabbing you in your eyeballs. So I'm gonna have to doctor this up and really work on this, y'all, because look at it. I look like an alto at a Baptist church. Like, come on now. But I'm going to get it together. I'm going to have to recurl it. Let's fix that. Yeah. that we have our bangs and our curls how we want them, we're just going to get ready to start combing out these curls. Now, when I say comb out these curls, I do mean do so ever so lightly, okay? Use a good wide tooth comb that won't get any snags. It won't make your curls drop. I do want to note I did put holding spray in my hair after I pin curled it, as well as I did add some more holding spray once the curls were combed out so that my curls could stay exactly how I put them. And that is our final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at those beautiful bouncy curls. Look at the shine, the layer, the body. I absolutely loved this, and I hope you guys did too. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, any tips, any tricks, let me know. The Traveling Muse loves you. See you guys in the next one.